Hey guys, welcome back to Reviews and How-Tos. I'm Tyler. Today we're going to be checking out this cocktail smoker kit. And this was sent to us by Wise Spice for free for us to check out today. Now, whenever you get it, it's going to be in this really nice wooden case. We'll go ahead and pop this open for you right here and look at everything that you're going to get. Comes with a whole bunch of stuff in here. Really, really nice. Something I really like about this is it does include a flask. A lot of these kits do not include a flask, so a little extra thing right there for you. Also is going to have your torch right here, and this torch is available in two different colors. We've got the silver right here. Boom, works really well. They also do have a gold version of that torch available for you. You're going to get a little funnel here for your flask, so easy to fill that. You're also going to get your topper right here that you use for your whiskey glass. Put that on there. Put the little snuffer on there. Boom, look at that, really nice. Also comes with a little spoon and a little brush. The spoon is for scooping out your little wood pieces right here. You're going to get apple flavor, pecan flavor, oak flavor, and a cherry flavor there. And then something else really cool in here is the little chillers that you are going to get. These things, all you have to do, put them in the freezer for a few hours. Look at that, they are bullet shaped. I think that's a really cool, unique design. Your friends are gonna love that. You'll be the star of the party with this cool kit right here. So let's go ahead and check this out. I'm gonna need this lid open. We'll go with the apple flavor this time and see how it works. So all we gotta do, take our little glass right here, of course. Already got a little drinky drink inside here. And we'll open it up and pour a little bit inside of here. Now, like I said, you get everything that you see right here, which makes it a really great deal. Boom, just like that. Go ahead and put the top back on this. I left a little bit in there for you so you could do the little spill test. Boom, nothing spilling out right there. I'll go ahead and throw these little chillers in there. They're not really gonna do anything right now because like I said, you need to put them in the freezer for them to work. So two of those in there just to make it look cool. And then you put your topper on like that. Something I really like about this topper is it does have this little metal thing around the top to ensure that you don't, burn your wood too much or anything. And then, like I said, we're gonna go with the apple flavor this time. So we'll just take the top off right here. We'll take a little scoop out. All you need really is just a little bit in there. That way you can sort of let it aerate, I think is how you say that. You want to let some air around it so that it looks really nice and it gets that smoke in there. You don't want to, really just get a whole bunch of burning. So we'll go ahead and set our flame on here. And you can easily adjust that here on the bottom. It just pops out. You can go plus, you can go minus. Let's see, what's it be the highest? Right there, really nice sized torch on there. And then it takes a little bit for that one to die down. Me, I like it kind of in the middle, but we'll leave it at the highest for right now just to check this out. So like I said, all you do, you take this and boom, it will start to smoke it up. Just like that. Let that flame die down. And as you can see, nice little smoky drink right there. And then you can take your snuffer right here, put it on top, let that go out. And then you get the cool effect whenever you remove this. Wow, look at that. Super cool looking. All right, so let's go ahead and try this out. I really like that. It's not overbearing or anything like that. As you saw, I took a drink whenever there was still quite a bit of smoke, but the way that works is it just, I can't explain it. It's great. I love how this is. So yes, if you are looking for a really nice cocktail smoker kit, go ahead, check this one out. Or if you have a friend, family member that wants something, this right here, super, super cool. If you like entertaining your friends or whatever, this is cool. They're all gonna love it. Grab a couple of them so you have, plenty to go around for everybody. Yeah, definitely go ahead and check this one out. Like I said, this one's from Wise Spice.